What if I told you that you can make $10 billion in added revenue just like Amazon did from Rufus, but in a much easier way in 1 minute onboarding with Rover? Let me show you how. So all I'm doing is, hey Rover, run a workflow for me on Retriever's cloud platform. It's typing in the workflow that we asked it to run. You can get onboarded on Rover in under a minute. You can either ask Rover to onboard you or just get started by yourself. I'm going to show both ways. All you need to do is give your unique site name. Say, for example, I'm going to give example 101. You can put any label that you got, and if you want any TTL or never expire, you can choose that too. And this is one of the key things. If you have like various subdomains on your platform, and you want to support Rover across all the main domains and subdomains, you pick registrable domain, or you just want your main domain, just host only. And do you want Rover to open like new tabs, or just completely like block that? So you can make these choices. You can give your custom name to Rover. Also, you can bring your own mascot. This is our cutest mascot for Retriever. Now, the main thing, all you need to do is just provide the domain you want Rover on. Let's say example.com. And that's it. The rest are all default configurations, but you can explore more of like, do you want Rover to have external context? Say, for example, do you want Rover to go fetch something from like Google to complement its answer to your users, or like specific list of sites? You can always whitelist that, or you want to have shortcuts, just like how I have shortcuts on Rover for onboarding, for booking a demo. You can just in natural language prompts create those shortcuts, and that's it. Just with three configurations that we gave, you got the script tag. All you have to do is put the script tag close to your head and body of the beginning entry point of your website, and that's it. You're good to go. Now, if you don't want to even do those two to three things and just want to do like end to end anonymously, you can do that with our Rover itself. All you need to do is just click on the shortcut of onboard to Rover. You can actually see the prompt that I gave. All it's asking is, it's going to gather information from you, like what are the details, and then fill in this form for you and get hold of the script tag for you. So Rover is asking us a couple of questions of site ID and required parameters. Um, yeah, let's do example 201. Site name. All right, in no time, Rover did the onboarding for us end to end, filling in all the details and generating the script and the keys for us. All you need to do is like paste them in your website, and you're ready to start with Rover. Give it a try today.